There's only one more. All right, everyone, please be seated. I'm going to call the docket. I think we're like 30 seconds away from 9 a.m. LaShawn, have you been watching the Patriot games? Okay, so here's the thing about the Patriot games. Why didn't I have that when I was in school? Because I would have won kickball. My team would have won. You know, they have kickball in the Patriot games. LaShawn. All right, everyone, when I call your name, please stand and let me know you're here. Otherwise, I'm going to assume you're not here and a warrant may be issued for your arrest. Jose Angel Guevara. Jose Angel Guevara III. All right. Deputies, if people are not here by 9:45, they're to go into custody. Brian Mahan, federal court. Trisha Rodriguez. Celine Breard.
She's present and ready, Your Honor.
Nicholas Tanner. Nicholas Antonio Tanner. Teresa McCormick, custody. Ethan Martinez. Ethan Andres Martinez.
Oh, Judge, I think that one should have been dismissed already.
Okay. Don't know why it's on the docket. April Fields. Mickey Vasquez. Anthony Guardo. Jacob Conrad. Connie Cirlos. Joshua Perkins. Nanjalique Duran. Nanjalique Duran. Sierra Diaz. Dennis Zuniga, custody. Juan Davila. Danza Sansom. Danza DeJuan Sampson III. Jesse Gloria Elizondo, custody. Ashley Sheldon Farard.
You should be on Zoom, Judge.
And she is not. Yvette Rodriguez. Carlos Estrada, custody. Mary Jane Santana.
Yes.
Where? Thank you. Misiel Del Hoyos, custody. Robert Anthony Galvan. Robert Anthony Galvan.
Custody.
Custody. Thank you. David Casanova, custody. Magdalene Alvarez. Mary Molina, custody. Ezra Espinosa, Eric Mason. John Simpson. Noah Nellam. Laura Gallegos. Yana Ganal, custody. Ryan Valdez, Zoom. Thank you. Richard Ibanez. Kenneth Howie. Hi, Mr. Howie. I'm doing great. Dominique Nicholson should be on Zoom from Travis County.
And so should the defense counsel.
All right. Isidro Torres, custody. Reynaldo Torres, custody. Is there anyone who came in later? Your name was not called. Yes, what's your name? Sierra what? All right, you need to be on the second row. Yes. Nicholas Tanner. Second row. I'm sorry, what? What is he saying? All right, just they'll call you up in a moment to see if you're supposed to be in this court or even on the docket, okay? Well, that printer, you know what though? As follows, they'll replace it once there's someone else here. Yeah, they wait till the last minute. You know, I was in another courtroom where the carpet had mold and mildew and they wouldn't replace it. And I said, well, I'm gonna have to move. And so I moved and then they finally replaced the carpet. Oh yeah, they don't care.
Oh, yeah. Judge, Mr. Montgomery's on page 9.
All right, thank you. Mr. Montgomery, you need to be on the second row.
He wasn't gonna be here. I'm in school, yeah.
Yeah, he's not on page 9.
No.
Montgomery is not on page
Okay.
9.
Hanging out.
Am I missing part of the docket?
Hold on 1 second, George. No, it might have been. Yeah, I think you. Yeah. Rashawn's answered your judge.
All right.
I'll explain why.
Okay, sure. All right, okay. All right, is there anyone who's ready?
Yes. Sullivan for.
We're gonna call you up, Mr. Sullivan, just take a step back. Yeah, when I say, is there anyone ready, I'm speaking to the coordinator.
I apologize.
That's okay.
Yeah. CDC ready to go?
There's no one here. We have someone from the OAG's office, but the person from TDC is not here.
Let me go to the back and follow them.
Okay,
Okay, just on page 1, fourth one down, Celine Brett.
okay, just give me a moment. And to the parties, just as soon as your attorneys sign in and let me know that they're ready, I'll take you all up. And to the OG, I guess you're here for the person who's from. Are you here from the person who's in custody at the prison?
No, sir. No, ma'am. I'm sorry. No, ma'am. We're here for Mr. Howie. He's on a deferred. I think today's just like a status, see how he's doing.
All right, just give me one moment and we'll call him up.
Take your time, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Celine Breard.
Yes.
Scott Sullivan for Miss Breyer.
Yes, MYA. This is correct.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, how are you doing?
Good.
Oh, that's good. All right, State, does he have all his discovery with the download?
Can I address that?
Yes.
That was my fault. He gave it to me and I successfully put it on a drive for me because we were having some problems. I successfully went and corrupted all on my own. He's
Okay.
gonna do it again for me. I could have it back when.
Norma?
Oh, that's, I'm gonna set that. to
I'll come
call.
back a couple of days, whenever the court wants me. It's my fault. I apologize.
Oh, that's okay. We're gonna take care of it right now. All right, y'all are coming back for jury trial on Rick.
Thank you.
All right, y'all are coming back for jury trial on August 17th.
Perfect.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
And we will continue to negotiate. Some things changed this morning. for both
Thank you.
sides. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Abrams, are you ready on Mr. Howie? Who would you like to take first?
I find Valdez up first.
All right,
That's
Ryan
okay.
Valdez.
Page 8.
And I'm present for Your Honor, just available
Oh,
by
I
Zoom.
forgot some. So,
You know, it's fine.
Judge, may I?
Yes.
So the last time we were in court, we wanted to ensure Mr. Valdez signed up for his anger management class.
Everyone, please whisper. I can't hear. Yes.
We wanted to make sure that he signed up for his anger management class within 30 days. And we just wanted to get a status update on where he was today. That's why he's on the docket. If he had signed up for the class, I believe he's already going to the classes. He is reporting as he should be, and right now there are no issues.
Any more status updates needed?
I do not believe so, Judge.
All righty. All right. Thank you, Mr. Valdez. Do you need anything from the court?
Yes, if I could have anything on paper that I attended today.
Oh, you'll need to talk to your attorney about that.
Oh, okay.
Right.
All
Okay,
right.
thank you. Sorry, I was so wordy.
All right.
Maybe excuse me.
Yes. And are you ready on Mr. Howie? All right, Mr. Howie.
And Your Honor, Dorian Kotler for the state.
All right, thank you.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning, how are you doing today?
All right.
I'm doing great. And you every time you show up, you're looking great.
Thank
you. All right.
So
What's going on?
So Judge, as you are aware, this is just another
Oh,
status
really?
update for Mr. Howley. He's been doing great. He's reporting as necessary. We have no issues there. He finished his private inpatient program, no issues. We just want to continue to monitor him. And we want him to continue his services through the Center for Healthcare Services. Or, provide some proof of mental health services monthly.
Yes.
Yeah, just to reiterate what you said last time, I respectfully requested and said if I could find another doctor, which I did find another psychiatrist and a psychologist.
Okay.
So I don't have to deal with United Healthcare Center and go downtown, but my PO needs something in writing from you because it's a statute that I have to have a mental health case manager.
All right.
On the paperwork, she just needs something in writing. So I can continue to see the doctor.
Oh, no, he's allowed to continue to see the doctor that he's, yes.
My PO needs it.
We'll amend your condition.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right. So Collier, are there any questions with you? No, I'm talking about Paul Kotler.
Kotler. No, Judge, I haven't heard from any of his neighbors in forever. So as long as we don't hear from the neighbors, we're in good shape.
All right. So here's my question then. If he continues on the path that he's on, would you have any objections to terminating him in December?
I would not, and I will defer to the court's judgment with the understanding, Mr. Howie, that again, you got to keep doing what you're doing, man, or it's not going to be good. Yeah.
All right. So
it's fine with us, Judge.
All right. Thank you so much. So we're looking towards terminating you in December, which means you'll be done with your probation. But in order for me to do that, you need to make sure that you stay med compliant and that you continue to see your doctors. And just make sure you stay in touch with probation and continue to meet with them and let them know what's going on with your treatment. Okay. Is there anything we can do for you?
No, ma'am.
All right. Well, looking forward to December. When do you want to bring him back in? You want to just bring him back in December?
Yes, Judge.
What date? And Attorney Kotler?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna give you a December date, and if you can zoom in for me on that date as well, it'll be the same Zoom link.
The same Zoom link? Yes, ma'am. Happy
Yeah.
to.
December 7th, Judge.
It'll be December 7th.
Pearl Harbor Day. Okay, 9 a.m.
Yes. And that will be the day that we will be looking towards termination. If you've done your part, then you'll be off of probation on December 7th, okay? All right, thank you. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
It's my pleasure.
All right.
You have a blessed day.
Oh, you too. Thank you. All right, thank you, Attorney Kotler.
Goodbye, Judge. Y'all take care.
All right, you too.
Bye-bye.
And just so that you're aware, Angela Montgomery, I believe when he was placed on probation, we just put him on the docket
Mhm.
to keep a place in for him because he was going through all of his evaluations.
Yes.
And a supplemental report was sent into the court asking for his release and gave you the results of those. So that's why I asked Norma to take him off because, but I'm gonna talk to him to see if there's anything that he needs from the court at this time.
All right, no problem. The person who's on the Samsung in the dark, who are you?
Hi, I'm so sorry. My name is Ashley Sheldon Fafard. I'm in Hawaii right now and it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Let me turn on the light. Everybody's sleeping.
Well, she's in Hawaii and look at us.
And I was gonna say, look at Pearl Harbor. Speaking of Pearl Harbor. Sorry, let me turn on the lamp.
No problem. Who's her attorney and what page is she on?
Okay.
Hello.
Hi. Good
Hi.
morning.
I'm gonna have to ask you to put on a jacket or top, okay?
Okay. Okay, let me go get it.
All right, thank you.
What was the name, Judge?
It's Farard. Thank you. All right, state family violence on Ashley Farard. Where are we on the discovery?
It's been disclosed to defenses of Cornelius.
Okay.
I have extended an offer.
Okay, sorry about that.
That's okay. I understand you're in Hawaii. All right, so I'm going to put you in a breakout room. I'm sorry, in a waiting room. Your attorney is
Okay.
going to let you know what the state's offer is, and I'm going to set this for a plea deadline date, but I want you to wait for your attorney to appear, okay?
Okay, and then I have a question.
Yes.
So what is do I get to go to trial or no? Just I gotta talk to the attorney.
You'll speak to your attorney, all right?
Okay, got it. Thank you.
All right, Norma, I need a plea deadline date in 30 days.
She's still not here, Judge. She's still on the phone in the back.
All right, let me give you a reset date, but again, do not leave the Zoom. Wait for your attorney, all right?
Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Do I have to turn off the camera?
No, just give me a moment.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, your plea deadline date is going to be September 21st. I'm going to put you in the wait
Okay.
and just wait for your attorney, all right?
Thank you, Judge. Have a good nice day.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Thank you.
All right, anyone else ready? Who is Nikki M?
One, Your Honor, let me just turn my camera on real quick. Okay, there it goes.
All right, who is your attorney?
Shoot. Andrew. I'm sorry, give me 1 second.
What is your full name?
Ethan Martinez.
The attorney did apply for PTD, they've been accepted. I emailed PTD on Friday to inquire why it wasn't showing closed, because it's my understanding that PTD has begun and they said they would resend the dismissal to the court.
Okay. All right, let me see if I've received a dismissal.
I mean, they told me credit wasn't gonna be, an issue, it would just be a trick from them, but I'm looking. I'm gonna call them, I took my break early, so I can call.
All right, so you're gonna have to reach out to your attorney. Your case, I believe, is supposed to be dismissed, but we don't have it on the system as of yet. So do you have your attorney's contact information?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so if you'll reach out to them, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room. Once you talk to them, you'll be excused, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. Just keep up with what they're asking you to do on the PTD.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Yes. Ms. Cresville, we're waiting for your client.
Okay, I just wanted to let you know, I just didn't know if you knew I was here. I just wanted to make sure you knew I was here waiting.
All right, no problem. We're just waiting for them to zoom in. And so I'll put you in the waiting room. As soon as they zoom in, we'll put you in, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. Who's ready?
Page 3, first one down, is Jacob Conrad.
Jacob Conrad.
Yes.
Good morning.
Judge, Mr. Conrad, the state has agreed to allow us to apply for PTD. And so we're going to apply for that. He also has a case in County Court 6, and we're going to go down there and talk to them.
All right, so Veterans Treatment Court didn't work.
It did, it
Okay.
did. But they're going to manage the program. They're going to manage his PTD.
Okay, so we'll set you.
I'm going to CT Norma on the application this afternoon, Judge.
Okay, so we'll set you, we'll recall you for the 21st of September. All right.
That's a Monday.
Yes,
Maybe it's Tuesday?
once he signs the reset form.
Sure.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, Judge.
Who's next?
That's everybody right now.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Yeah, that.
Huh?
What did you do about that?
Oh, it was just an update, so it's done. There's nothing else to be on the.
Okay.
You don't know.
You try to remember.
If you remember. I don't want.
Yes.
Albrecht, I bet it's Albrecht.
Just looking at like a date, but it was nice. It was smaller. And
Hmm.
that's how I got. I talked to somebody and she's like, "We need to call Carol." And that's how I.
All right, anyone ready?
Yes, Judge, on page 6 at the bottom, John Simpson.
Yeah, everybody talks about your. Yeah.
John Simpson. Yes.
Judge, I'm appointed represent Mr. Simpson. He has an MTR in your court. He has a new PF case that has not been indicted yet. Further the state on the case, they've not gotten a hold of the complaining witness yet either. That's basically the allegation on the MTR.
So what's in the motion?
It's MTR.
Yes.
Oh, it's number one violation and then technical violation as well, Your Honor. I think it's not reporting from May. Yes, but if we could, Your Honor, I need a little bit more time to. What we're doing MTR as far as the new number one allegation goes, as a victim. As I read through the report is death. So I need to figure out. Witness of interpretation to make contact with the death victim.
So here's my question.
Yes, Your Honor.
So the new number one is whatever happens on the MTR going to solve the new number one?
Potentially, yes.
All right. This being set for a contested hearing on September 1st.
That'd be the morning, Judge, or afternoon?
Morning. All right, is there anything else?
No, except I'm assuming we get a result, we coming sooner.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. You're welcome.
You need him to sign?
Yes.
All right, who's next?
On page 3 at the bottom for Juan Davila.
Juan Davila. All right, has an offer been tendered in this case?
An offer has been sent, Your Honor. Would request if we could, Your Honor, at least one more discovery study. The only piece of discovery that I have not been able to tender to defense is the Cellbrite phone extraction that SAP did. The detective was not responding to my email, so I'm gonna have to send my investigator down in person to his office to see if I can get that from.
This is going to be set for a jury trial. You all have been waiting for Cellbrite since June.
I'm fine with the jury trial, Your Honor. I just need to see the celebrate.
Okay, sure. Norma, set this for jury trial in September.
Yes, ma'am. September 22nd.
Put it on the 22nd. That's fine.
I got it.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge, they said they need a court order
Okay.
and it's gonna take 5 to 14 working days.
You know what? I'll talk to them. I don't even know why this is so hard.
Okay.
Because I've called prisons before as a prosecutor, as a defense attorney. They're like, oh, sure. I'm like, what are people asking for? All right, who's next?
I'm looking for the page, Judge. Give me just. On page 8, second one down, Richard Ibanez. Probation update.
Richard Ibanez. So how's everything going?
Judge, so this is a case brought back from a couple of weeks ago. We wanted to see some type of progress in Mr. Ibanez getting with the VA, getting some help that he needed to get help with. We were able to get him a phone number that he could call. He did show me he does have 2 appointments with the VA coming up in September, and he also has a mental health appointment on August 18th. We're asking that the case be brought back after September. I think it's late, his last weekend is.
You want to just put it for October 1st? Or no, sooner?
I would feel more comfortable if it's after September 15th.
Okay. All right, Norma, I need a reset date after September 15th for status.
I can do the 21st.
Judge, I have a trial in Comal.
Okay. Is that entire week? The week of the 19th? Do you think you'll be able to zoom in, or either we can bring him in? If he's doing well, then he's doing well. If he's not doing well, we will recall it and make sure you're here.
Okay.
However you would like to handle it.
That's fine.
Okay. All right. So Norma, set this for October 21st then.
September 21st.
I'm sorry, September 21st. All righty.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you. Keep up the good work. Where's the report on the 4th court on Chris Sale?
Maddie gave it to you. I just told her.
No, where's the from the 4th court, not from the attorney?
It's there. If you want to find it.
On the text that I did. Because my criminal in front of that.
All right, Attorney Criswell,
Yes, Your Honor.
What you've submitted to the court, did you submit that to the
The 8th, yes, Your Honor, because it was originally filed in the 4th, but then the 4th transferred to the 8th.
Okay. All right, we'll just prepare a record, and that way if you need a copy of the court's record, you can have it.
Sure.
Okay, let me see. All right, the court is calling, let me find what page he's on.
On page 8, Judge.
Thank you. All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 11860 State versus Dominique Nicholson for the defense.
Regina Criswell, Your Honor.
All right, Attorney Criswell, the court received a document from the 8th District Court of Texas regarding your appeal for Mr. Nicholson. Is there anything you wish to put on the record?
Yes, Your Honor. Just to explain for the record what my efforts at communicating with Mr. Nicholson have been. After I was appointed to the case for his appeal in March of last year. Thereafter, after I had the ability to review the record that was filed by the court reporter and the clerk, I attempted to locate Mr. Nicholson to communicate with him. I searched for him with the inmate locator at TDC and at Bexar County Jail. I was unable to locate him at either place. So I did file the brief in October of 2025. In January of 2026, I received an email from the MAC office. They indicated that Mr. Nicholson or someone on his behalf had communicated with them about his appeal and wanted more information. I advised them that I had not been able to communicate because I didn't know where he was. They did some follow-up. They re-communicated with me and told me that they found him at the Bexar County Jail. So in February of this year, I mailed a copy of the brief I filed and the state's reply brief to Mr. Nicholson at the Bexar County Jail. I never heard from him. I have a file that has all the inmate communications. I don't have any communication from Mr. Nicholson. Then after this, he apparently communicated with the Court of Appeals in June of this year, indicating he still didn't know anything about his appeal. And his letter to the court, he did not copy me, and I did not receive any letter, but the letter to the court indicated he was located in Del Valle, Texas. So on August 3rd, I remailed the briefs to him located there. But I just recently learned that he was in Travis County and waiting for transfer to TDC. I do not know if it'll be the same location or if he's being moved elsewhere. So I still don't know if he will ever or has yet received a brief.
All right, and for the state?
I'm just to assist you.
No, announce for the record.
Rick Pena for the state of Texas. I located him if this helps.
No, I mean, the court ordered, for the record, the court ordered for Mr. Nicholson to appear by Zoom today, and the court was informed just today that he has been, I think his capital murder charge or whatever charge he has was dismissed, and so he was transferred from Travis County to someplace in the criminal justice system. So he is somewhere in TDC. So the court attempted to have him present.
Yes, sir. He appears to be at the holiday unit with the Texas Department of Corrections.
So he's been moved to the holiday unit with the Texas Department of Corrections. So they've asked me to make certain rulings. So
he's at the Huntsville, Texas.
All right, they're saying Huntsville, Texas. This is what I can tell you. The questions that I was ordered by the 8th court to have you answer, I find that you've answered them. You've sought on several occasions to try to discover where your client is housed. You've made several attempts to mail him not only the brief that you prepared, but the answering brief from the state. The court is finding that you originally mailed it to the Bexar County Jail, that you've tried to contact him in Travis County, and now the court is finding today that he has been moved from Travis County to TDC. So I don't know if he's actually received a copy of his brief because he's not by Zoom because, again, he's been moved to another facility. But I am finding that you've made several good faith attempts to contact him and to provide him with a copy of the brief you filed on his behalf and the brief that the state provided on his behalf. Now, they're asking that I set a deadline of no more than a week from the date of this hearing for you to provide him with a copy of a brief. That is near impossible for you to be able to do that because one, you have to have his TDC number. They keep moving him from place to place without the criminal justice system letting his attorney, his current attorney, know where he is housed. So what I'm going to do, counsel, if you'll come back this afternoon, I'm going to see if I can call the warden. If there's no objection for either party, I'm going to see if I can call the warden of the prison, let him know what's the urgency of this matter according to the 8th Court of Appeals, and see if we can get him to zoom in.
Your Honor, if I may, I'm getting ready to travel to Maverick County, Eagle Pass, for a 1 o'clock hearing. Would it be possible for me to appear in your court tomorrow morning to follow up?
Just give me one moment. All right, just give us a moment. We're working on it. I'll put you in the waiting room.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, who's next?
We have page 5 at the bottom, number 5, Magdalene Alvarez.
Magdalene Alvarez. Magdalene Alvarez, where's the attorney? All right, they're not here. Next.
Page 4 at the bottom, Mary Jane Santana.
Mary Jane Santana? Yes. And it should come up.
Good morning.
Good morning. How's it going?
I was just laughing at falling bouncy ball.
Oh, gosh. It's
Been there. I believe we've worked out an arrangement.
Okay.
So it's gonna take care of 3 matters before you. However, my client would request 2 weeks. It is gonna be a state jail sentence for a year. But she would like 2 weeks reset to be able to do that. Do you prefer to do the plea now resentence, or do you want us to come back?
Oh, we can do the reset.
Thank you. Thank you.
But not for 2 weeks. I'll give her a week. Okay. All right, Norma,
Yes.
if you can recall and state, you don't have any objections?
No objection, Judge.
All right, Norma, if you can recall this for August 21st?
Thank you. Is it August 21st?
Yes. All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. All right, you're welcome. Who's next?
The attorney's here for Magdalene Alvarez on page 5, Judge.
Hello. Hello. Alvarez
And
and counsel you on this side.
this one is on page 5.
Hello. All right, what's happening with this case?
The first setting, it's a UMV. She has some evidence that she was paid for. So I was gonna get to that to the prosecutor.
All right, have you received all discovery?
Believe so, Judge.
All right, Norma, set this for disposition in 1 month.
Yes, sir. September 10th.
All right. All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Who's next?
We have page 2, second down, for Ethan Martinez. Dismissal has been entered.
Okay.
Joanne, here's.
All right, thank you.
This is on.
Yes. All right, thank you. All right. Anyone else ready?
On page 2 at the bottom for Anthony Fajardo.
Anthony Guajardo. Who's the attorney for Anthony Guajardo? All right, just have a seat. Is there any attorney who's present who's ready? Okay. It is Monday. Yes, I gave it to the attorney.
Jason took it, that's my original. I gave her. Okay.
And Norma, we need a jury up here at 11:30.
Yes, ma'am.
That's just starting here for, Guajardo. On page 2.
All right, thank you. Anthony Guardo?
Anthony Guajardo?
Yes.
I have to meet Brandon for that part.
Okay.
Oh, wait, Brandon's.
Today's gonna be a crazy day.
I did support this afternoon, so I guess I'm gonna miss the jury.
And Brandon is here too.
Yes. Anthony Guardo, today's plea deadline date. What's going on?
Judge, we go off the record and speak in the hallway this one.
And Mr. Prater.
All right, so we're gonna recall this in 45 days and that will be your disposition.
Yes, ma'am.
45-day reset, please.
Thank you, Judge.
So,
All right, September 24th.
thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
May I be excused afterward?
Yes, does he have, I know he has the DWI, has that already?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, thank you. All
I'll check in downstairs. Thank you for
right,
reminding me.
thank you. Sure, have a good one.
I'll send it in Mrs. Foreman.
Okay.
Thank you. Judge, I'm working on a plea.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much. I'll be right back.
Yes.
Oh, no. Okay.
Maybe can.
Eric Mason. All right, so we were here for restitution.
Believe the state was gonna try to provide receipts. This is the one where the complainant was claiming something like 5 million.
1.6 million. And judge has spoken with the, excuse me, I've spoken with the complaining witness. He has not been able to produce those receipts or estimates. I've spoken to him about the likelihood of any kind of recovery. So because of that, judge will waive restitution or are able to proceed.
So y'all are waiving restitution.
We are, judge.
And we have no objection to that, Judge. I believe basically what happened, my client showed up, got himself in a mess, was riding his bicycle downtown, just a short while later when the police arrested him. There were no medals on him. It wasn't like he took any of that stuff, but he just wanted to get this over with. Move on.
But then we have the robbery and then the theft.
Yes, judge, and I've spoken with the complaining witness about any hopes of recovery, and he understands that the odds of restitution are.
Well, I mean, and this is just me just asking. So do people, and I'm not talking about you specifically, so do people get charged with an offense and then it's like, well, this person can't afford to pay the restitution, so that's a wash? Is that what we're doing now?
We have not been able to find any kind of receipts or estimates to back up any kind of claims for us.
Okay, well, have the complainant zoom in and say that he didn't provide you all with restitution amounts and I'll go forward.
We'll see if we can get them on, judge.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Who's next?
We have, that's gonna be on page.
Ganal.
On page 7 at the bottom, but
All right, thank you. Hello. How do you pronounce your first name?
Liana.
Liana.
This is like an L's nine.
Now, the double L's always throw me.
My dad called me Liana, so.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 4899, State versus Liana. Ganal, could I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinosa for the state, Bridget Gossett for defense.
And are you Miss Ganal? All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Liana Ganal who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 4899 for the offense of burglary of a habitation on August 27, 2024 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 21st day of June 2026 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Liana Jen Arrigo Ganal committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number 1.
And I'm so sorry, just a moment. In reviewing the admonishments, I don't have a copy. In reviewing the judgment, the offense should be attempted burglary of a habitation. So would you like to make an amendment to the motion to enter adjudication of guilt?
Yes, Judge, state would move to amend the offense to attempted burglary of a habitation.
Any objections?
No objections.
All right, sorry, state, you may proceed.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 21st day of June 2026 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Liana Jen Arrigo Ganal committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True. State will waive the remaining.
Any objection?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find you true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes.
All right, the court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to deny state's motion, continue, alter, and amend for SATIF and run concurrent with cause 2026 CC 011069, which is the fact. That's our agreement.
All right, you said 011069?
Correct.
And this is the only outstanding case?
No, Judge, once that plea takes place, we will TIC the drug case, but I have the dismissal for the court today.
Okay. And then after that's taken, because they won't transfer her without everything being closed.
Correct. So it'll just be the plea on the theft and then we'll close this one out.
All right. You want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Liana Jennifer Yolanda.
Okay. So what is your drug of choice? And how long have you been using? When did it start?
It's been on and off since 2015. Since around 2015.
And do you have a family support system?
Yes, I do.
And who is that?
My parents and my son.
Okay.
My parents mostly.
Okay. And how old is your son?
He's 13.
Okay.
Judge, when she first pled, I represented her originally, and her parents were very, very active in her support. And they were present in court the times that she had appearance.
All right, I'm going to give you some choices today, right? All of the choices that I'm going to give you, you're going to be in custody. It's just going to depend on you what you're in custody for. Like, are you in custody to be transferred to prison? Or are you in custody to go to inpatient treatment? Okay. You know yourself better than I do, probably better than your attorney and the state and your probation officer does. So you know whether you can complete this successfully or not. 1, I can revoke you and I'll sentence you to 3 years in prison. You'll get credit for any time that you've been in custody. I'll request the therapeutic community. Just because I'm requesting a therapeutic community for you doesn't mean that they will give it to you. Your other option is I will deny the motion, alter the main conditions. I'll ask that you remain in custody, do a referral to felony drug court, and a referral to SATIF. Those are your options.
Just for clarification, I believe it's a state jail felony.
No,
Is
it's
it?
an attempted.
Oh, okay, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
so it's third, yes.
I'm sorry,
Yes.
I'm looking at the new case.
Oh, no
I'm
problem.
sorry.
Yes.
You want to make aware that she was evaluated on felony drug court or at that time, not be criteria.
Okay. All right. And was that because of lack of drug use?
Criteria. Did, and at that time also felony drug court was at double.
So we can refer back, right? So those are your choices. Which do you prefer?
They're gonna be holding me just for a few months before sending this.
Well, what I can tell you is felony drug court, it's Monday. They'll probably evaluate you before the week is out, and you'll know before the week is out whether or not they're accepting you in the program. SATIF, I don't know what the wait time is for SATIF.
I think she's a little confused. I explained to her the recommendation of the ADA. The drug court, that's completely different than SATIF. That's what the judge is telling me.
Yeah.
So how many years would I be held total for?
Well, drug court is not a holding
Okay.
in total necessarily. It's a treatment court that's designed to focus on what your issue is, right? So felony drug court, if you're accepted in that program, they may say, you know what? SATIF is the best place for her, and they'll have you placed in SATIF, but you will not be supervised by this court. You'll be supervised by the felony drug court. Felony drug court is approximately a 2-year program. And if you complete everything, you'll probably be terminated in a good way, not terminated in a bad way.
You're not gonna be any custody.
No. Thank you.
I think that's why she's confused.
Okay.
The felony jail court, they can if they screen you, they can say, you know what, she can be released, but we need to see her on a weekly basis, on a bi-weekly basis, and then they'll recommend other treatment. But you first have to be evaluated and you have to be accepted to the jail, to the felony court.
Okay, and if I don't get accepted, they're gonna send me.
You're gonna be going to Saturday.
Okay. Okay, so my choices are whether to go to TBC for 3 years or to go to the felony drug.
Or Saturday. If felony drug court doesn't accept you, then it will be Saturday.
Okay, that's my choice.
Yes. So which do you prefer?
Yes, I don't want to be in prison for 3 years.
Okay. All right, the court will then, and are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
Okay, the court will deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions. In custody, there should be a referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then SATA. If for some reason the jail accidentally releases you and you know they're not supposed to, because you're supposed to remain in custody, either to be accepted to felony drug court or SATA, if they release you by accident, the next business day, you need to come in court and say, Judge, they released me by accident. Here I am. You understand?
By accident will be like the next couple days, but if they do that, then it's
Yes. Okay. All right. Do you have any questions?
How, so they're gonna be holding, I will be held in custody until they do the assessment?
Yes. So this is what I want you to focus on. Felony drug court, they will come see you before this week is out. They will make a decision probably before this week is out on whether or not they're accepting you in their program. If they accept you in the program, you don't have to worry about waiting for a bed for SATA necessarily, because you being accepted in felony drug court. If felony drug court does not accept you in your program, then you're going to be waiting at the jail till you're transferred to SATA.
And then that's gonna be for 3 to 4 months.
SATA is, depending on how you do, you're looking at 90 to maybe 180 days. All right, and this is what we'll do, counsel. Norma, can you give me a phantom date on this?
For how many days?
Let's do 3 weeks.
I can do August 31st.
All right, so we're gonna call you on August 31st. Now, if felony drug court has already accepted you, we're gonna take that off the docket. If they have not accepted you, then that's for me to make sure that you're on the wait list or the transfer for SATA. I don't want to lose you in the system. Now, if you go to the jail and you say, hey, I have a court date on August 31st, you know what they're going to tell you? They're going to tell you you don't have that court date, because I have to put a phantom date in the system. Otherwise, it will stop your progress in the system, because they'll say, oh, can't do anything with her because she has a court date. All right. But know that I know, your attorney knows, and we know that you have a court date here on August 31st. No, I mean, you can tell people, but let me just tell you, it's not going to show up in the system.
Okay.
They're going to tell you you don't have a court date on that date, but we know you do.
So on the morning of August 31st is the first time that we mentioned that's.
I'm sorry, what?
So the morning of August 31st is the first time they're gonna mention that.
No. August 31st is just a date for me to make sure that everything is going well for you.
Okay.
Think of it as that way. Okay. I'm trying to make sure that August 31st, evaluations have already been completed and you're on your way to the next stop, okay?
Okay.
Any other questions?
No.
All right, thank you. And counsel, if you could explain to her more if she needs to.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm ready to on air, Mason.
Okay, just give me one moment. Let me take this up and then I will take that up. All right, April, yes.
Can we approach her?
Sure. Get it done. Hello, good morning. All right, could I see the parties on April Fields, please? Court is calling 2026 CR 0000499 State versus April Fields. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Brandon Breda for the state.
Tim Roundtree from Miss Fields.
And are you Miss Fields? Yes. Okay. Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Fields, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Your Honor.
State proceeding as presented.
We are, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with driving while intoxicated third or more. That's a third degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has cooperated and worked with the judge here.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently confident and was legally sane at the time of the offense? Ms. Fields, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be denied naturalization, re-entry, and you will be deported. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. And everyone, just one moment. Ah, no wonder. All right. So we're off the record. These judgments don't match.
Oh, yeah.
Now, one of these is for someone by the name of Jose Mendoza Cabrera.
Take a look at that judge and I'm ready.
Sure.
My apologies.
All right, if you all step back. All right, thank you. Judge, yes.
Sorry, he said he can't come back today. He left for the day already.
And he can come back by Zoom. Mr. Cox, your client is in the waiting room if you want to zoom in and talk to her. We've given her a reset date.
Okay.
Let me see. Her reset date is September 21st.
All right, that's fine.
He said his wife is sick. He can't come.
It was 26th of September.
Hmm.
26th of September.
September 21st.
Oh, September 24th.
And I'll set up a breakout room.
Okay, thank you, good.
You're welcome.
And I'll go talk to her, break out.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
All right, thank you.
Okay, Judge, I have one ready.
Just give me one moment. Miss Ferreira, your attorney is here, so he'll meet you in the breakout room. If you can go to breakout room number 1, please. All right, who?
Page 1, first one, Jose Guevara.
Jose Guevara. Hello. Hi. You're all scheduled for jury trial today.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm asking the court for a competency evaluation. Mr. Guevara, his mother brought in a note from last week from a physician that's stated some concerns, and is speaking with Mr. Guevara this morning and his mother. I have more concerns
All right,
about.
this has been on the docket since June. Why are people just now discovering there's some mental health issues, concerns? I don't understand.
State's ready, Judge.
I mean, legally, I have to give him a competency evaluation. I just don't understand why people are waiting till the last minute. Norma, see if they can put him down for an emergency competency with the magistrate judge. Just have a seat. Thank you. It's going to be one of those days. You know, journeys are awesome. New journeys. All right, are y'all ready?
We are. The judge, before we discuss the victim and his receipts, my client has spoken to him. And I believe he mentioned it the last time he was here when I was stuck in trial somewhere else. He'd like to withdraw his plea. I've explained to him that all we can do is ask the court to give him back his plea.
Why does he want to withdraw his plea?
Well, my understanding is when he took the plea, Judge, he was hoping to get the probation and get out of jail. And he understood that there was this onus of possible restitution, but he wanted to get that done. And since he's been sitting in jail for at least, 3 weeks, a month?
Well, you all can file a motion, the court will hear it.
Okay.
And then make sure the complainant is here for sentencing if the court rules against his motion to withdraw. So how much time are you all asking for?
Today's Monday. You want to come back on Friday?
No, not Friday. Norma, put this for the, let me see. Norma, you can put this for the 19th.
Yes, sir.
And tell the complainant he'll need to be here in person.
I will, Judge.
All right. We'll see you all on the 19th.
You're
welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Judge, have a good day.
All right. Thank you. You too.
Sure.
Oh, okay. No wording differences. We'll fix some, let's think the reason.
Ashley Sheldon Farrar. All right, who's next?
We have Nikki Vasquez on page, 2, second from the bottom.
Mickey Vasquez.
Judge, I'm first on that.
Yes, where are they?
I believe we have a resolution. However, would the court permit me to come in the morning to do the plea?
No, we need to do it today because today is the plea deadline
Can
date.
we do it at 1:30?
Is there a reason we can't do it now?
I'd like to visit with him and his family, just.
All right, go visit with them. We'll be here till 12. So get her done.
Can I do it at 1:30, girl?
No, because y'all are set for jury trial today as well. Jury trial and plea deadline date. All right, thanks. Who's next?
That's all I have so far, Judge. We're just waiting on Fields to fix the paperwork.
Thank you. Yes.
Good morning, Docket matter.
Yes.
The client set for discovery hearing on.
What's the cause number?
Cause number is going to be 2025 CR 011562. Christopher Vroman.
Yes.
He is set for a discovery hearing, and my understanding from conferring with the state is that there's still some discovery.
Okay, he's set on the 13th.
Thursday, correct?
Yes.
Yes, the 13th, sorry. He just got a new job in Fort Worth. So I wanted to ask from the court permission for him to be excused.
Oh, I'm sorry, just 1 second. Mr. Cox? Yes, can you let him know that if he can call his client, because she keeps zooming in, but something I guess is wrong with the Zoom because she's not appearing. Yeah, she's enjoying Hawaii. Oh, you know what? She just went to breakout room number 1. So if you'll tell him to zoom back in, we'll get him in. Okay, so yes.
So Judge, he just got a new job in Fort Worth area. And I wanted to request his appearance to be excused on Thursday, if possible, because we still have some discovery matters that are
Sure.
pending.
All right, but you'll be here, correct?
We'll be here, Judge.
Sure.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, 7%. The stipulations have been fixed on fields.
All right, thank you. All right, we're back on the record and 2026 CR 000499 State versus April Fields. Can I have parties reannounce, please?
Yes, right, right, stage. Figure out treat for this.
No, Fields. All right, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There's $1,000 fine. All right, just one moment. All right, to the person who's on Zoom, your case has been dismissed. Your attorney should probably have that information for you. Thank you. All right, and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be your plea? State defense is at the plea?
Yes, yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Any such motions?
There you are.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours community service restitution, DWI intervention, VIP live, ignition interlock full term, Texas license suspension for 2 years, and 10 days in the Bexar County Jail as a condition. Did you understand that those are recommendations from the state, and other than what's statutory, the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Did you understand? All right, state, with regards to the 10 days Bexar County Jail, are you objecting if the court were to place her on GPS?
No, Judge.
All right, then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Judge Garth, State Exhibit 1, including all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consent stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Fields understands the seriousness of this. She has actually completed the DWI intervention course in advance. She is the sole, really primary caregiver of 3 school-age children. So we would appreciate if you would consider the GPS for those 10 days, Judge.
All right. And does she have ignition interlock?
She does not, because she does not have the vehicle. She has the multiplies.
Okay. And are you employed or no?
Children.
Okay. Oh, no problem. So what's going on with you? Because this is your 3rd DWI. So that means that you're one of those people who cannot drink and know when to stop. And with regards to this accident, the hitting of the mirror, has that been paid for? So why are you drinking?
I wrote it. The letter that wrote everything out.
You just tell it, I mean, basically, Judge. Yeah.
Okay. So do you need, this is the thing, and this, the reason why I ask these questions is because people are placed on probation. I want them to be successful. And if there are some issues that are going on with you that are impacting your decision making, I need to know so I can set specific conditions so that we won't be here again.
Yes, in the past years, I mean,
You have family support? All right, who's your support system?
system, whether I'm father's past, but the sisters and therapists, colleagues, industry, I'm a girl, I'm a preacher's child, I grew up in church, I have support all around me. I just make choices. Due to relationship.
Okay, well, this is what I can tell you. And this is what I would always tell my clients. Everybody is on a journey in this thing we call life. And where you are now, hopefully, there will be an improvement and it won't be where you'll end up. So with regards to this GPS, so is it for employment? Is it, what is it for?
You mean the,
I mean,
10 days in jail?
Yes.
Judge.
No, I mean, what does she need?
Oh, I see.
Because I can place her on partial or either full house arrest.
I know you're not probably, but you leave the house and take care of these expectations. So during those 10 days, when you need to leave the house, you're so full.
Yes, it starts on the 19th.
So,
Right, so you're not allowed to drive. You cannot, and you're not allowed to drive any vehicles that do not have ignition interlock on it. If you drive a vehicle that doesn't have ignition interlock on it, you know what's going to end up happening? Probation is going to find out about it. A motion to revoke is going to be filed, and you're looking at potentially 3 years in prison. So, all right. The court is going to find her guilty, sentence her to the following: 3 years in prison, suspended and probated for 3 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, test for alcohol, proof of employment, or are you employed or no?
no, Judge, she takes care of her kids full time.
Okay.
Trying to do substitute teaching on my kids.
All right. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. 100 hours of community service restitution. Deduct 1 hour for every sober support meeting that's completed. I'm going to require 1 sober support meeting per week. DWI intervention, VIP live, Ignition interlock full term, or PAM, if upon providing affidavit of non-driving. Texas license suspension for 2 years. Partial GPS. For 26 days, waive fees. And she's allowed to attend children's activities. I'll just call it children's activities. That includes taking them to school. And DWI education course. Probation, is there anything else? All right. Oh, I'm sorry. So I'm not going to order employment. She says she's a stay-at-home mom. TAP evaluation out of custody, follow TAP recommendations. And do a referral to felony drug court so she can see. And just have her evaluated for trauma-informed care. Is there anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea, because I followed your plea, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? Here's what you have to realize. Anybody could have been killed that day. Could have been children, right? That's the problem in San Antonio. People drink a lot. And then once you drink, you don't realize you've lost your physical and mental faculties, and you just think you're just fine. Again, I tell this to everybody. I have yet to have, in my past, had a client come to me and say, Stephanie, I want to let you know something. I purposely went out to drink to intoxication, and it was my intent to hit somebody, to kill somebody. Nobody ever says that, but you know what ends up happening? It ends up happening, and then the next thing you know, they're crying to you because they killed or injured somebody, and you know that ship has sailed. All right. Once you go over conditions with probation, you're excused. All right. Good luck to you. Okay, bye-bye.
Because I'm working on it, please.
Sure. Norma?
Norma stepped out.
All right. Guevara is going to be recalled on September 21st. We'll see where they are on the evaluation.
Which one, Judge, I'm sorry?
September 21st.
Oh, okay. You said for Guevara?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Judge. Thank you, Judge. That's all that I needed.
Stick to one.
Oh.
Just one moment. Sure. Oh, yes.
Thank you, sir. But I know she stepped out.
Yes.
And then I'm working on that.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Mary.
All right, what is, are you already on Miss Ciel de Hoyos? On this case, the court just signed the order, the protective order. So do you all have the CPS records yet?
We do, Your Honor.
Okay,
The oil.
so is there going to be any other?
It is an interpreter if we want to. I can't tell him what happened.
Just one second. Can you call up an interpreter, please?
Yes, sir.
And that's for both the. Sabina from Solana Cruz.
All right, just have a seat, sir.
Okay.
But I'll talk to y'all, but we'll call him up when the interpreter comes as well. So,
But on this file, it's mentioned, we also signed a protective order.
yes.
And CPS records are available. I think they're gonna just upload it.
They're uploaded. I'll make them discoverable. Mr. Otero needs to watch the forensic interviews in both cases. I need to review the case for an offer, so I'd ask for a plea deadline.
Right. So for both of them, is 45 days enough time?
I think so, Judge.
Or do you need less? Less or more? Just, well, not more,
No, less for sure.
less.
I think 45.
45, it'd be okay. If I need something else, I'll let know.
And then when the interpreter comes up, I'll give them their date on the record.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, just give us a moment. Let me give you the date. Alfonso? That's gonna end up being September 24th. Okay. All right, and we'll just wait for the interpreter. Just give me a moment. I'll call you up in just a moment.
I don't know what to do. I gotta go back to county court for, they're waiting for me with witnesses. So I'll come back. Okay. I don't know what. I'll come back.
All right, who's next? That's not a plea or anything.
They're all police station and NTRs.
All right. Probation is speaking to someone, so we'll wait for them to come back. All right, thank you. And who is that on?
Robert Galvan.
Okay. Hi. Oh, great. It's a crazy Monday, but it's okay. So the two people are with Mr. Otero.
Yes, Mr. Galvan is gonna be on page 5.
All right, thank you. Yes, I'm ready. Wait, are you all ready? All right. If you'll have De Hoyos come up. Hello. Hi, how's it going? I love the dress. All right. Mr. De Hoyos. All right, so my understanding is that your attorney now has all the discovery. We want to give him a chance to review the discovery. So we're going to recall you for September 24th. At that time, the state is going to tender an offer to your attorney. Then your next court date, if you all have not reached an agreement on that date, I'm going to give you a plea deadline date. And then after that, it will be jury trial. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yeah.
All right, do you have any questions?
Yes.
All right, if your question is about the facts of your case, then don't ask that question. That question should be for your attorney. But if it's about the procedure of the court, then you can ask it. So any questions?
No.
No.
All right, thank you.
Judge, which defendant was this?
That's De Hoyos.
Thank you, Judge.
And then your other client is Estrada.
Yes, Judge, but that hasn't come out yet. It's still in the back, but we have Guzman Salinas was said promotion suppressed.
I'm sorry, who?
Guzman Salinas.
I thought I have you for Carlos Estrada.
Yeah, I have that one too, but he's in the back.
And is he a Spanish speaker as well?
He's English speaker.
Okay.
But
And
Guzman
then-
Salinas is Spanish speaker.
I'm
It
sorry,
was
what's
said-
his last name?
Guzman Salinas.
All right, let me find him on the
I
docket.
think it was moved last minute, last week. It was set for today, but now it's set for tomorrow.
All right, I don't even have him. Where's he on the docket?
It's for tomorrow, but they was like something like it was just
So they
moved.
brought him here?
Yes.
All right, what's his cause number?
2025 CR 010159-02.
All right, so yes, so the motion to suppress.
It was set for today, but I think Thursday or Friday changed to tomorrow.
Yes.
And he was here. I just wanted to let the court know that he was present today, and then we'll be back tomorrow with it.
All right. And is this family violence?
No.
CTD. And will you all be ready for the motion to suppress tomorrow? Okay. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, so we'll bring you back tomorrow. And is that going to be dispositive or no?
Yes.
All right, we'll bring you back tomorrow.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
My pleasure. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you. Robert Galvan. Hi. And there's no application?
No application, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 007983, the state versus Robert Galvan. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinosa for the state.
Zachary Green for defense.
And are you Mr. Galvan? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Galvan, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Okay, Judge State move to proceed on the lesser included offense of possession of controlled substance, PG1 less than 1 gram.
Any objections?
No objection.
All right. Did you review the court wait a second, I'll wait till they finish talking on the side, then I'll get back to you. All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the state is proceeding on the less included offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Galvan, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promise you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the less included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 180 days in the state jail facility. There's a $600 fine. This is run concurrent with 2026 CC 006816. Did you understand that to be your plea? State defense is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the less included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, Your Honor.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, state of first state's exhibit 1 and all attached.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would ask if the court could probate the fine. I was appointed to his case, and it'd be hard for him in his current situation to pay it. So
Okay.
that's our only request.
All right, thank you. Court is going to sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $600 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. This is the run concurrent with 2026 CC 006816. There's to be no residing in households with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. And I'm doing that based upon the stipulations that are in the report of you hitting a female near a swimming pool area and also the parole violations. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea, because I followed your plea, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, make better choices. Get your life together. Otherwise, you're going to end up in prison for the rest of your life. You understand? All right, good luck to you. Thank you.
You, Judge. We
Hey,
appreciate
are
it.
all the arrangements going well?
They are going good, yeah. So I'll go up there next weekend. So
So, well, hopefully the weather will be beautiful and it won't be muggy.
I hope so. I truly do.
All right. Well, congratulations again. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
You too.
They still need an order and they can't do it.
Okay, just a second. Noah Nellum. Hi. And where is Noah Nellum out here? So what is the plan on this? Also, here's his, this.
Judge, I'm working on a plea.
All right, thank you. Anyone else ready?
Mm.
Yes. Estrada. All right, Estrada, if you'll come forward. Where's he? Come forward.
It's gonna be on page 4, Judge, second from the bottom.
Thank you. Hello. Hi. 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 So we're making sure that your attorney has all of the discovery. My understanding that he now has it, but he needs to have a chance to review it. So we're going to bring you back on September 24th. What's going to happen at that time is the state is going to tender an offer. If you all reach an agreement, then your case may be solved. If you all don't reach an agreement, your next court date after the 24th date will be a plea deadline date. And then after that, jury trial. Do you understand? Do you have any questions? Okay, all right, thank you.
Thank you, maybe just.
Yes.
Judge, I'm working on a plea.
Mr. White, are you ready on Diaz? Are you ready on Diaz?
Signing in right now, Judge.
All right, Sierra Diaz. All right, so today is plea deadline date. Have you all reached an agreement?
We're not in agreement with the officer.
All right, Norma, set this for jury trial. You can set it the week of 18th or 17th, whatever that is. All right, you're coming back on jury trial on the 19th unless you want to start today.
No, Judge, especially Ms. Diaz is required about modification of her bond conditions. She seems has to take a UA every time she comes to court.
Mhm.
Could the court waive that?
No. All right, we'll see you back for jury trial on August 19th.
And why can't you meet?
I'm sorry, what?
Why can't you meet?
August, I thought you meant August 19th.
Mm-hmm.
That's not a good date for me, Judge.
All right, we all can start jury selection today.
Can we confer?
Sure.
Are we going to talk?
All right, Norma. Set this for jury trial on August 19th. If they work something out today, then I will hear it today. Otherwise, jury trial is the 19th. All right, thank you. All right, who's next?
I'm working on the plea, Judge. I'm just gonna swear him in.
Vashon. But I did have a great weekend. I did go see Spider-Man. Okay, let me just tell you, you know how some people put movies up here and they really should be here? Spider-Man should be up here. Oh, it was very good. I'm gonna say this, and if somebody wants to challenge me on it, they're more than welcome to do so, and we'll have a debate. Spider-Man better than the Odyssey. There, I said it.
I haven't seen Spider-Man.
And I dare anyone to debate me.
Judge, I'm working on 2 more. Sorry, 1 more.
That's okay. Mickey Vasquez. I believe this is with family violence, correct?
Yes,
Oh, thank you. Court is calling 2026 CR 001269 State versus Mickey Xavier Vasquez. Can I have parties announced?
The state of Texas. Just possible for the front runner.
And are you Mr. Vasquez? Counsel, you received all discovery that you review with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Is there an application in this case or no?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. All right.
On this one?
Did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
They're not, Your Honor. We're proceeding on count 2 of the indictment only, and we will waive count 1.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? The state is proceeding on count 2, continuous violence against family. That's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Just one moment. Sorry, Jim. All right, off the record for a moment. I don't see the two different times in the.
First one is the top part that I highlighted, Joanna.
Mhm.
The second one is the bottom paragraph that I highlighted. It's essentially.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. All right, we're back on the record. Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe it does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Vasquez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2. Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 8 years in prison. There's a $1,500 fine. The state is silent on your application for community supervision and deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 CC 016523 and 2025 CC 016626. There's an affirmative finding of family violence and there's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition or be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea? State defense is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
This state offered to evidence case exhibit 1 with all attachments.
No objection, Your
All
Honor.
right. State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Counsel, do you wish to waive PSI and have this brought back and you can present witnesses, or we can do a PSI and it's probably going to be, weeks away? Which do you prefer?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is there a need for a TAP evaluation? All right. And is there a need for mental health evaluation?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I need a reset date, PSI and TAP.
August 28th. Oh, is he on a bond?
Yes.
I don't know.
He's on a bond. Okay, give me, I'm sorry, Judge. Give me a second. Can you, October 5th?
All right, October 5th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. I'll base my decision on your application upon any evidence that's received by the court. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Make sure you make all your appointments. Is there a Connie Cirillos out here? If you'll come forward, please. Who is the prosecutor on Connie Cirillos? She's on page 3. It's DWI.
Yeah.
All right. Do y'all know, have you all turned over all discovery?
My knowledge, yes, Judge.
All right. So your attorney is ill. She's asking you to come back tomorrow. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what we're going to do is we are not going to call you back for tomorrow. I'm going to set it for a plea deadline date.
Yes.
And we'll set it in 30 days.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I need a 30-day reset for plea deadline.
September 10th.
All right. September 10th. What days of the week do you work?
Monday. It varies.
All right. So we'll set it for September 10th. Will you be able to take off for that day? All right. So September 10th, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. All right. Thank you.
Okay, here you go. Grab a few from there. Fireworks with the pen. Yeah, you're probably seeing it.
All right. What is happening with Brian Mahan? Counsel, what's happening with Brian Mahan?
Brian, man, I'm sorry, Judge.
Yes.
His family told me he is still in Limestone County.
What is he in the jail there or federal custody?
Well, it's part of the federal custody. It's a unit where they hold federal inmates.
So when is he being released?
He should have been out Saturday. I don't know if Dare County has gone to get him yet. I do know that if he were out, he would catch a bus and get there.
And then what is happening with Trisha Rodriguez?
We're turning in the plea paperwork
Okay,
right now, Your Honor.
thank you.
Of course.
It's okay.
Mary Molina,
I'll send you in as soon as this one.
is there a application in this case?
There's not, Judge.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 008694 State versus Mary Molina. Can I have parties announced?
Frank Gray for the state, Robert Bennett for Miss Molina.
And are you Miss Molina?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
All right, your attorney is listed as Attorney Green. Do you have any objections to this attorney standing in? All right. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
My apologies if I may amend my past statement. We're proceeding on count one, but waiving the punishment enhancement.
Any objection?
No, Judge.
All right.
My apologies, Judge.
That's okay. You're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide any defenses?
She's been able to assist in her defense. I believe she's confident in her plea.
Do you believe she was sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Molina, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a US citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 115 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. Did you understand that to be your plea? State defense?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, any such motions?
No, Judge.
I'm sorry, could you have that back? Yes. Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Judge, Officer Exhibit number 1, including all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just ask the court to follow the agreement, Judge.
All right, the court will sentence you to 115 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. Based upon the stipulated evidence, there's to be no residing in households with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. Is this considered a judgment satisfied?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Judgment will be deemed satisfied. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea, because I followed your plea, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question about that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Okay. Here's the thing. You don't have to change your ways, because otherwise only 2 or 3 things could end up happening. 1, you continue to get arrested. 2, you end up in prison or jail. Or 3, somebody has to identify your body. There are plenty of places that are free that can help you if you have an issue with drug addiction. Okay?
Yes.
When you're released from jail, if it's during a business day, you come back here, I'm on the bench, I'll pick up the phone, call somebody to help you, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck to you. You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Who's here? Laura Gallegos? All right, what's happening with this case? Are you all prepared to proceed?
Yes, sir.
All right, court is calling 2022 CR 0122 State versus Laura Gallegos. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinosa for the state.
Elizabeth Russell for Ms. Gallegos.
And are you Laura Gallegos? Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Laura Gallegos who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 0122 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on October 17, 2023 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2 on or about the 7th day of March 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Laura Gallegos, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Violated condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Laura Gallegos, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of April and May 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State will waive the remaining violations.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to 2 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? You need to speak up. Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 2 and 4? Court will find 2 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, proposed agreement is to deny, alter, and amend for felony drug court and 6 months of sober living.
And Judge, and extend, because her probation would expire prior to her ability to complete the felony drug court, so extend for a year.
All right, where has she been?
She's been relapsing and not reporting, Your Honor.
All right, so why should I follow this?
Because she wants to get help. She asked me about the Alpha House, if that was an option for her. I explained to her that that was one of the sober support living houses that the program does use, that that might not be the house that she goes to, but that is one of the options. She is struggling with her sobriety and wants to commit to being clean, not just for her, not just for the court, but for herself.
So what happens if felony drug court doesn't accept her?
Then I think we need to come back and figure out something else. So
For the
maybe
court,
if
it's gonna be felony drug court or safety.
exactly. And so that's what I was gonna say, some type of inpatient program. I think felony drug court is what she needs because of the DDRF. But if they don't accept her, then I think that is the best alternative.
All right, so here's the thing. You know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney does, better than the state does, better than the probation officer does. I'm gonna give you a choice. One, normally I don't give these choices because you haven't reported. The easiest thing to do is to report. The easiest thing to do is to come into court and say, Judge, can you help me? I'm struggling. And you did none of those. So here are your choices. One, I'll sentence you to 5 years in prison. You can sign up for the therapeutic community there, or I'm going to continue you and I am going to extend you 4 years. Those are your choices. And what I can tell you, if felony drug court doesn't accept you and you're going to remain in custody, if felony drug court doesn't accept you, then you're going to safety. What do you prefer? All right. Court will deny the motion. Oh, and state you may be excused. Thank you. Alter and amend. This is in custody. If someone makes a mistake and releases you from custody, the next business day, you need to come into court and say, Judge, they released me. If they release you by accident and you go disappearing, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. Do you understand? All right. So yes, thank you. So you're going to remain in custody for a referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then it's going to be safety. And there's going to be extension for 4 years. Is there anything else you need from the court to help you with your sobriety?
I relapsed, and I relapsed because I got a letter from Stephen Investy, my ex, and he told me he was getting out, so I just stopped partying and started using it. Went off of that, you know.
So I don't understand how the fact that he's getting out translates to your falling off, because I told you to have no contact with him.
No, he wrote letters to my mom's house.
You know what they do when some letters come back? Have you ever heard of the Elvis Presley song? He's not the one who originated it, but return to sender, address unknown.
I actually wanted to keep tabs on him when he was getting out because I didn't want to.
You know how you keep tabs on him?
No,
You call
like
the
that.
prison. No, you call the prison and the prison will tell you when somebody is being released.
I think there's a sense of catharsis and saying return to sender and actually radiate yourself on that.
There you go. Return to sender, address the unknown. And usually people get the message when you do that. But you can't do this thing where you text somebody, oh, I'm going to keep the letters because that's tabs on them. You know what that means when you keep a letter for people who are thinking differently? Oh, she still wants me. Because if she didn't want me, the letter would have come back. So there you go. Anything else I can help you with?
Well, I actually kept the letters, but my brother threw them away. She can. It's where he takes responsibility for that, for what he was.
At this point though, is there anything else the court can help?
Thank you. Return to sender. They even have stamps for it. You can get them and just stamp on their return to sender.
I was saying about the charge itself, he takes his responsibility.
Here's the thing, return to sender. The only thing that I would suggest based on my experience, not putting return to sender on is junk mail. Because if you put return to sender on junk mail, you know what the post office is going to do? They're going to send you a letter and say, do you still live here? They don't want to accept that back. So there you go. All right. Good luck to you. Don't come back here for not reporting. Okay. All right. Thank you.
What's the best songs when I have?
I listen to a lot of oldies and some things that are oldies. I'm like, I can't believe this is an oldie. How old am I?
It's like one of my oldest songs.
No such number, no such phone. And you know what? He said he's gonna put it in there himself. And if that letter comes back, then he'll understand.
Understand the writing of it.
Yeah.
Sorry, just I didn't get, I didn't get the page.
Deputy Mejia, can you let the jurors know to come back at 1:45?
1:45?
Yes. And the court is recessing at noon.
Page 3, fourth one down, Judge. Benjamin Shivan.
Nanjalik Duran.
Am I working on 2 cases, Judge?
Thank you. Nanjalik, come forward. Does she have a good reason why she's late? Let's hear. Why were you late? Can't do that. I will tell you this, there are some judges who would have issued a warrant for your arrest. And do you know, there are some judges, when the state tenders a dismissal, if the person's not there, they're like, yeah, no dismissal today. Because dismissals, the judges do not have to sign them, regardless of what defense attorneys tend to think. That's not you, counsel. So they're asking that this case be dismissed for further investigation. Do you have any objections to the dismissal?
No, you're right.
All righty. Thank you very much. Have a good one.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge, I'm working on 2 please.
Well, do we have anything that's a reset? Because we're about to take our break.
No, Judge.
Okay. So no resets or anything?
No, Judge, the only other one we were waiting on answer on was the, Mr.
Oh, Mr. Yeah, could you get the feeling? There was a probation, I mean, NTR. Okay.
Espinosa? I'm sorry, Judge. That's okay. I was sitting when he was in.
All right, Ezra Espinosa. Court is calling 2025 CR 0074442, State versus Ezra Espinosa. Can I have parties announce?
State.
Coronado for Ezra Espinosa.
And are you Mr. Espinosa?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Ezra Espinosa who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2025 CR 0074442 for theft of property 2,500 to 30,000 on September 18th, 2025 for a period of 3 years. Is that you? State?
Violated condition number 20, on or about the first day of May 2026 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Ezra Victor Espinosa, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 20.
How do you plead to that?
Violated condition number 22, on or about the 26th day of May 2026 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Ezra Victor Espinosa, did then and there fail to provide proof of enrollment, participation, or completion of a high school / GED program in violation of condition number 22.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State will waive the remaining allegations.
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 20 and 22, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility, and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation 20 and 22? Court will find 20 and 22 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to deny, continue, alter, and amend for biweekly reporting for 60 days and enrollment in providing proof of the enrollment in the GED program within 30 days.
That I understand this, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, State. Do you want, how old are you? You're 20. I can tell you were young because you still don't have all the bass in your voice yet. Do you want to go to the state jail facility? Is that what you want to do? Then why are you not doing what you're supposed to do while you're on probation? Why are you not reporting?
Well, it's really like a series of events that happened with my mom.
This is like Lemony Snicket. What are the series of unfortunate events?
Well, first, phone broken prior to my job.
Wait a minute. First thing, what happened?
My phone was broken
Phone broken,
prior to my job. Got kicked out
fired, kicked out.
on the streets, and luckily I met a guy named Cody. He owns a business, asphalt. So for however time I was out on the streets, for like a month or two, I don't know how long, but ever since then, I've been working with Cody. It's above and beyond paving. There's like asphalt.
Mhm.
So I was getting paid like every 2 weeks. I was doing good.
So why did your mom kick you out?
uh,
What rules were you not following? Let's start there.
Just inviting girls over.
So using her home as a hotel motel.
Yes.
And let me just tell you, and I'm sure, were you inviting those girls over when she wasn't there?
She goes there like at night.
Oh, so you would sneak them in?
I wouldn't really sneak her in, but
She didn't know about it, did she?
she did. She'd wake up in the morning like, oh, this.
Oh, and who is this random person you have sleeping in my house?
No, on the ring camera, she'd see her.
Oh, so she didn't know until she saw it later on the Ring camera. So you were using her home as a hotel motel without her permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Well, what I can tell you, and this is based upon not my personal life experience, but anytime a girl allows you to sneak her into your parents' house, that's probably not somebody you want to end up with. What are you going to tell the children the story? Let me tell you the story about that time your mom would sneak into the house and your grandmother didn't know about it. So, are you living by yourself now?
No, I got in contact back with my mom. I told her what happened, told her how I was feeling, I told her I got a new job.
So did she do the gentle parenting with you? Oh, baby, that's so, I
Yes.
feel so sorry for you.
I guess so, yes, ma'am. She let me come back home. So, went back home.
And so what have you learned from all of this? Are you going to bring random people in her house?
Never.
I don't even understand what's wrong with children today where you have to go into custody for you to realize that that's not your home. Your parent is allowing you to live there. You know what the rules used to be for children? It's either you're going to be in school or you're going to get employment, but you're just not just going to treat my home as a hotel motel. And if you want to bring somebody over, You're in the common area, and if there's something else that you want to do, you need to do it elsewhere because you don't pay the mortgage here. Ms. Abrams, they want to put a burden on probation for him to report biweekly. Do y'all want that burden? All right, this is what the court is going to do, extend you 1 year. There's going to be 60 days of biweekly reporting. Is there anything else you're requesting?
Provide proof of enrollment into GED course within 30 days.
All right, you're going to provide proof of enrollment in a GED program or either some type of trade school within 30 days. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? I'm telling you right now, number one, if you miss reporting, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. Number two, if you're not enrolled in a GED program or trade school within 30 days, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. And you're looking up to potentially 2 years in the state jail facility, and that time is day for day. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Time for you to grow up. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
And the court is going on recess.